Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Izat Ussaly bin Jemat, metric number 240201449 from FELC. Okay, right. Today I will be presenting my research proposal for research methodology paper this semester, which is entitled AI in ELT, Use of AI, Benefits and Challenges of ESL Teachers. Okay, let's roll the slide and we'll dive into my presentation. Now, to begin with, I will start off with the background of the study. Now, the integration of AI in education has transformed learning opportunities, be it the teachers and also the students. On both parties, they are receiving or gaining impacts on both sides. AI offers personalized learning, real-time feedback, and language practice. AI, like I said, can assist ESL teachers by automating tasks and also providing insights into students' learning. It can be in the form of assessment or evaluation, as coined out by Crompton, Admet, and Chaporia in 2022. Now, AI tools can also act as tutors, conversation partners, and writing assistants. By coined out by Machinska and Winkler, 2024, studies also had shown that AI improves learning outcomes and students' engagement, meaning the students are more participative in the lesson by the use of AI in the classroom. Challenges also arise with the use of AI in the classroom. Things like ethical concerns and integration into existing teaching methods, as coined out by Protero in 2023, had become some setbacks to the use of AI among teachers. Right, let's dive into my research problem, statement of the problem. Now, despite uh, the potential advantages of AI in the classroom, ESL specifically, there is limited understanding of how English teachers use AI, perceived benefits, and also the challenges they face. The rapid AI advancement outpaced effective integration strategies, meaning they find it hard to keep up with the AI advancement and then to be put into their classroom strategies for their teaching approach or teaching method. Additionally, ethical concerns and the long-term impacts on language proficiency also need further exploration, as pointed out by Crompton, Admet, and Ichaporia in 2022, and Machinska and Winkler in 2024. My research objectives are as follows. Number one, to examine how English teachers use AI to teach the language. And my RO2, determine the benefits perceived by English teachers using AI in the class. My RO3, excuse me, investigate the challenges faced by English teachers whilst integrating AI into their lesson. My RQ or research questions are: number one, how is AI used in the classroom by English language teachers? Did they use it for lesson preparation, for maybe for materials development, or maybe for developing worksheet? These are all will be answered in the questionnaire later on. My RQ2, what are the benefits of integrating AI into English language instruction, especially by the teachers. And my RQ3 is, what are the perceived challenges do English teachers face whilst integrating AI into their lessons? Now I will be bring out some brief literature review on my reading. The integration of AI tools like writing assistants and conversational agents improve language proficiency, as coined by Dizon and Tang in 2020 and Kazu and Kubetli in 2023. Effective AI integration requires addressing training, ethical, and data privacy issues of the students. Now, let's talk about the research gap on why I should proceed with my research. Number one, there is limited research on AI in adult ELT, uh, specifically focusing on the teacher's point of view. Many of the research that I found were focusing on what are the effects and impact on the student itself, themselves, sorry, but not on the teacher side or the teacher's view. Number two, lack of longitudinal studies on long-term AI impacts, be it on the teachers or the students. And also, as point out by Galaxy and Glakin in 2024, there need for more comprehensive research on ethical implications on AI use in the class. Moving on to the research methodology and methods. Now, for my research, I will be employing a mixed method research approach combining quantitative and qualitative data. I'll be using a survey questionnaire and then an in-depth interviews. For the sampling, I will be using a purposive sampling of 200 ESL teachers for surveys and 20 for interviews, in which will be picked from the 200 ESL teachers earlier. As for the location, in order to add more validity to my research, I will select, sorry, the sampling will be based on several locations from rural, suburban, and urban areas, to be fair. Now, the survey questionnaire will be uh, quantitative data on AI usage, benefits, and challenges, whereas the interview guide will be qualitative insights into teachers' experiences with AI. For data collection and analysis, surveys will be administered online, interviews conducted via video conferencing, maybe Google Meet, and then also I had decided I'll be using Google Form for the online survey. Quantitative data later on will be analyzed using descriptive and inferential statistics, and then my qualitative data will be analyzed using thematic analysis. Ethical consideration. Now, I will, for the purpose of this study, my participants will be informed, consent from them, then confidentiality and data protection will also be secured. Then it's a voluntary participation, meaning they are not forced to do or to carry out to become the respondent. Then my research proposal will be compliance with data protection regulations, And then also I need ethical approval from relevant bodies. In my case, I need to apply for ERAS 2.0, and then I need to inform the district, the director of Sarawak Education Department and also the district education officer for the purpose of carrying out this study. These are my research timeline. I will start off with literature review, and then completed in August 2nd, 2025. Now I had list down here all my references. That's all from me. Thank you so much.